Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. The pink mixer is out again, and today is baking day. Today we'll be showing you how to bake Snickerdoodles. It is one of the Dibble's favorite cookies. We will be starting with our ingredients. For the first ingredient, you will be needing 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Second ingredient is 1 teaspoon baking powder together with 1 teaspoon salt. Third ingredient, or the fourth ingredient, is 2 large eggs. And for the next ingredient, it will be 1 3/4 cups of sugar. Now for the most important ingredient is the butter. We have 1 cup of butter or 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature. If you have vanilla, you can add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, but in our case tonight, we don't have vanilla. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour and baking powder and salt. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Now in the mixer, butter in and 1 1/2 cup of sugar. Mix it. Medium speed for about 1 minute. Don't forget to lock. The dough is ready. Take a tablespoonful, put it in the palm of your hand, and make a ball. Drop a ball to your cinnamon sugar mixture, and in the pan it goes. Just repeat the process until you finish the dough. 12 cookies ready to be put in the oven for 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. And after that, let it cool for another 5 minutes. 12 minutes is done. Cookies are ready, and look at all those pretty babies. This is after 5 minutes, and look at how soft and buttery this snickerdoodle. Oh, I can't wait to eat it.
Thank you everyone for watching our video. And don't forget to like and subscribe at every video. Bye!